you and them have much previous? I presume you've played them
Who?
a fair amount of time. Dons, sorry.
Oh, MK Dons, yeah, good side. Always had a good side. It's been tough games when we've went there as well. Big pitch. They've always had good players as well, and players that are good on the ball. Fit side as well. Have always caused us problems. So yeah, I played against them. Almost went there as well before I went to Barnsley. So yeah, always had a good team. It's always been a tough game anytime I've played them.
So you suppose familiar with Carl there. Obviously, he's been there such a long time. There's an identity there as well.
Yeah, of course, and I think that's only healthy for a club. The stability. You don't want to be changing your manager every year, 2 years. So he's embedded in the club, and he's got his own philosophy about the way he wants to play, and that can only be healthy for a football club.
It's quite a